Anusha here. Today I am taking you through a day of my life as a student here at Saraswati Group of Colleges. I like to start my day with some fresh air and exercise. The peace and quiet here really helps me to focus for the day ahead. After getting my zen on, let's have some breakfast. The SGC mess serves up some delicious meals and snacks, perfect for fueling up between classes. The real learning starts in the classroom by interacting with professors and classmates. The library here is a great place to hit the books for solo study. It's quiet and has all the resources that you need to ace your exams. The practical labs here are fantastic. And hospitals to get hands-on experience in your field. Done with the studies for today? Let's hit the gym. Now I'm going to the auditorium to check up on my friends who are gearing up for the upcoming event. I heard it's going to be epic. And some celebrities also going to come. And if you are more into team sports, SGC has facilities for outdoor sports as well. Hostel life isn't on fun and games, so SGC has our backs 24/7 with their ambulance services. Safety first, always. To compare notes and catch up with my friends, I'm going to the cafe in our campus. As the day winds down, there is nothing quite like an evening walk around the campus to clear your head and reflect on the day. Now, it was a tiring day. I'll be going back to my hostel room to hang out with my roommates. There's always something going on in the hostel common room. So this was it, a glimpse into a day in my life at Saraswati Group of Colleges. See you around campus.